Welcome to American English with Sushil.
At the doctor's clinic. Good morning.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
I haven't been feeling well for a couple of days.
Can you tell me your symptoms?
I have a headache and a slight fever. I'm also feeling very tired.
Okay. Do you have a sore throat or a cough?
Yes, a little bit of a sore throat.
Let me check your temperature. Yes, it's a bit high. It looks like you have a viral infection.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, don't worry. It's quite common. I'm prescribing some medicine for you.
How many times a day should I take it?
Take 1 tablet after breakfast and 1 after dinner for 3 days.
Okay, doctor. Should I avoid any food?
Please avoid cold drinks and oily food, and make sure you get plenty of rest.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Asking for directions. Excuse me, I think I'm a little lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the City Museum. Is it far from here?
Not too far. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Oh, that's great. Which way should I go?
Go straight down this road until you reach the main traffic signal.
Okay, straight to the traffic signal.
Yes, at the signal, take a left turn. Walk for about 2 minutes and you will see a big library on your right.
A left turn and then a library. Got it.
The museum is right next to the library. You can't miss it.
That's very clear. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Booking a hotel room.
Good afternoon, City Grand Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. For which dates are you looking to book?
I need a room from the 20th of September for 2 nights.
Okay, let me check our availability for those dates. Yes, we have rooms available. Will it be for 1 person or 2?
It will be for 2 people.
We have a standard double room available. It costs $80 per night, including breakfast.
That sounds good. Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, all our rooms have free Wi-Fi and air conditioning.
Perfect. I'd like to book it then.
Great. Could I have your name and phone number, please?
My name is Sushil, and my number is 555-1234.
Thank you, Mr. Sushil. Your booking is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you on the 20th.
Booking at the pharmacy. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I need something for a bad cold.
Do you have any other symptoms, like a fever or a headache?
I have a runny nose and I've been sneezing a lot. No fever.
I see. I recommend these tablets. They work very well for cold symptoms.
Are there any side effects?
You might feel a little drowsy, so it's best to take it before you sleep.
Okay, how should I take them?
Just 1 tablet at night after your dinner. Don't take more than 1 in 24 hours.
Got it. How much is it?
That will be $5.
Okay, here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Talking to a teacher. Excuse me, Mrs. Doss. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course. Come in. How can I help you?
I wanted to ask about the history homework. I'm a little confused.
I'm glad you asked. Which part are you finding difficult?
I don't quite understand the question about the main causes of the war.
I see. It's asking you to list the 3 most important reasons we discussed in class yesterday.
Oh, okay. So I don't need to write about everything?
No, just focus on the main points. Try to explain each point in a few sentences.
That makes sense now. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Never hesitate to ask if you have a question.
At the bank. Good morning. Next, please. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to withdraw some money from my account.
Certainly. Could I have your account number and your ID card, please?
Sure. Here is my debit card and my ID.
Thank you. How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $200.
Okay. Please enter your PIN into the machine.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your $200 and your cards.
Great. Also, can I get a statement for my account?
Of course. One moment. I'll print that for you. Here you go.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
Ordering food delivery. Good evening, Pizza Palace. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery, please.
Sure. What would you like to order?
I'll have one large pepperoni pizza.
One large pepperoni pizza. Would you like any extra toppings on that?
Yes, could you add extra cheese, please?
No problem. Anything else? A drink or a side?
Yes, I'll also take a bottle of Coke and a portion of garlic bread.
Okay, so that's one large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, one Coke, and one garlic bread. Your total is $25.
Sounds good.
Can I get your address and phone number, please?
The address is 123 Park Street, and the number is 555-5678.
Got it. Your order should be with you in about 30 to 40 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
At the gym. Excuse me, are you a trainer?
Yes, I am. How can I help you?
I'm new here, and I'm not sure how to use this machine.
No problem at all. This is the leg press machine. It's great for strengthening your leg muscles.
How does it work?
First, sit down and place your feet on the platform. Make sure your back is flat against the seat.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Now adjust the weight using this pin. Since you're just starting, let's begin with a light weight.
How many times should I do it?
Try doing 3 sets of 12 repetitions, and remember to breathe out when you push.
This is really helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need help with anything else, just ask.
Giving a compliment. Hey, is that a new shirt? It looks great on you.
Oh, thank you so much. I just bought it yesterday.
The color really suits you. It brings out your eyes.
You really think so? I wasn't sure about the color at first.
Absolutely. It's a fantastic choice. Where did you get it?
I got it from the mall downtown. It was on sale.
Wow, what a great find. You have great taste in clothes.
Thanks. That's so nice of you to say. By the way, I like your watch too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Making an apology. Hi, I'm so sorry for being late.
It's okay. I was just about to call you. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine. I sincerely apologize. The traffic was much worse than I expected.
I understand. Traffic can be unpredictable in the morning.
I should have left home earlier. It was my fault.
Don't worry about it. The important thing is that you're here safely.
Thank you for being so understanding. I promise it won't happen again.
No problem. Let's get started, shall we?
Yes, let's. Thank you again.